Hello friends, in today's class we are going to talk about leaders, which is nothing but the first statement of basic block. This helps us in dividing the entire 3 address code into different basic blocks. Welcome again, and we have already seen this basic block thing, and now what we are going to do is we are leading into the concept of a control flow graph, or simply flow graph. Okay, and for that what we need to do is we have to change this into a divide. Okay, we have to divide entire let's say 3 address code into basic blocks. Okay, so we have already seen the concept or the definition of basic block: control enter from the first statement without branching or halting, and but here we are seeing this how to get this control flow graph or flow graph actually. Okay, so here this is the idea that that a sequence of 3 address statements will give an output will be a list of basic block with 3 address statement with exactly one block. Okay, in exactly one block, the list of basic block with 3 address statement in exactly one block. So what we need to do for that is we need to locate the leaders. Okay, we have to determine the leader set of leaders, and there are a few small rules are there. That the first statement leader, and what is the leader here? The first statement of the basic block. Okay, and what this is important, that leader is nothing but the first statement of basic block. Okay, first statement of basic block is called as leader. Okay, so few methods are there, and these methods we are using over here in this, and it says that the first statement is a leader. Okay, first statement is a leader. So when we start we will have this 3 address code, and the first statement will be treated as a leader. Now second is the important one. Any statement that is the target of conditional or unconditional go to is a leader. So when we use the statement go to L, or if A less than B, then go to L. So in L, the label, and suppose there is the instruction A is equal to A plus B, that is the instruction, and then this will be a leader. I'll give you more example later, but for the time being, the target of a conditional or unconditional go to. Okay, so this is your unconditional go to, and this is the conditional go to. That will be a leader. The next statement is any statement immediately follow the go to or a conditional go to statement is a leader. So after this go to L, if there is any statement in this position, immediately follow that. Anything that I write, suppose I write T5 is equal to T4 plus 2. So this statement immediately for that statement will be also considered as a leader. So now very simple, that the target of a conditional or unconditional go to is a leader, and also that any statement that follow this conditional go to or conditional go to statement is a leader. Okay, now this one, for each leader, its basic block consists of the leader and all the statement up to, but not including the next leader or the end of the program. Okay, so for each leader, we have to include all the statement in that basic block till you get the another leader. Okay, that is the meaning of this entire statement. For each leader, its basic block consists of the leader and all the statement up to, but not including the next leader. So you don't include the next leader till you find the next leader that will be in that particular basic block. Okay, So that is the idea of your leaders. And what we'll do now, we'll locate all the leaders after this. Okay, let's take a simple program. Let's take very simple program, and then what we'll do, we'll locate all the leaders. Okay, so that's all for this discussion. Let's implement this concept of leaders and divide the entire program into set of basic blocks. Okay, so thank you.